Hi, I'm Chris Earl.
And I'm Amber Earl.
And we're the founders of Earl. Here at Earl Home, I am the creative behind it. I'm the design and builder.
And I take the furniture and I place it into spaces and make them look pretty.
And run the whole business.
Yeah.
Welcome to our home and studio.
When you walk into the room, the fireplace is oriented at an angle. And so we actually got this cowhide because we needed something with a symmetry to play off of the fireplace. And then on the fireplace, that's actually one of our mirrors.
All our pieces are solid wood construction. We use traditional joinery. So that's an important aspect that I want to bring into every piece.
We love the rocking chair paired with the lounge chair. And then we are always changing the fabrics, but right now we played into the French blue, velvet, and bouclé, which we think is really complementary to the brown leather and the sofa.
So our dining table is always a rotation of different chairs. You can come here and sit in one of 5 of maybe 20 different chairs we've made. One of the things I like about the caneback chair is we got to do 2 versions.
Yep.
We've got the standard dining and then a captain chair version of it. I like how the arm came out.
We also have this folding chair over here that actually we haven't even launched yet.
Oh, world debut.
Our built-in here, Chris painted it to just match the walls.
Yeah, it really helped to brighten up the room. Before it looked like a little dungeon, now it looks like somewhere you want to eat. So this is where we spend a lot of the time. We should definitely talk about this chair.
We've talked about a lot of chairs.
This one's great though. All right, the only thing I'll say about it is it's a nice sized chair, it's built for you, but inevitably, anytime someone sits in this thing, someone else comes and sits right next to them.
But I want to talk about this sideboard here with the caning detail and the wood doors. I think it really grounds the room. This room specifically, it's kind of our throwback to Papua New Guinea where Chris grew up. So we have the arrows on the wall. Those actually, did you get those when you were a kid or?
That was a teen maybe.
Okay.
I guess that's a kid.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. So we actually have a little sitting room. There's a really beautiful bar cart underneath. And then conversational piece is this heritage photo wall that kind of draws you in. It creates conversation. It allows you to tell your story.
So for the bedroom, keep it simple. Beautiful bed, dresser to put your stuff in. That's all you need really.
Yeah. We got married in 2012 and Chris actually made me this bed frame as a Christmas gift. It just really brings back the idea of this is heritage heirloom furniture that's made to get better with age. Again, we have the meaningful art and pictures on the walls and just always wanting to feel warm and cozy.
So this is where the resting happens, but for work stuff, you got to join me out in the shop. So my process here is pretty hands-on. I get in here and just start prototyping. So I'll generally get the scrap wood, start slapping stuff together, but I'm just figuring out heights, angles, is this thing gonna be functional?
Yeah, and then I come in and I'm like, okay, I need this done in walnut and I need the top to spin, I need it to be compact, and I create a photo shoot and I kind of bring the pieces to life. We always say we're kind of living the California dream together. We're making furniture, creating spaces for people to gather and connect.
All right, guys, thank you so much for coming by. Check out our operation here at Earl.
Yeah, thank you so much. It was a pleasure. We'll see you next time.
Well, that was so much fun, but the fun doesn't have to end here. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the best open house has to offer.